The 6th of April, 1652, fighters, is the year the European colonial project began on the southern tip of Africa. It is not the beginning of history. It is the beginning of dispossession. In that year, Jan van Riebeeck arrived at the Cape, sent by the Dutch East Indian Company. He did not come as a tourist. He did not come as a refugee. He came as an agent of European imperialism to secure land, labor, and resources to sustain the Dutch emperor's maritime trade. He came to build refreshment stations for ships traveling between Europe and Asia. But what started as a trading post quickly turned into a colony. They pushed the Khoi and the San people off their ancestral grazing land. They erected fences. They brought disease. They killed, they raped, they enslaved, and dispossessed us of land. The Khoi and the San, AmaXhosa, AmaZulu, Basotho, and all indigenous nations suffered under this onslaught. Land was taken with violence, and where it was not seized by the gun, it was taken by fraudulent treaties, false promises, and forced removals.